Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the new product that will certainly make your life easier. So let's begin.
Due to open environment, most of the parts of vehicles and bikes have rust, which damage them. Rust eats up all of the metal surface, so makes it rough and useless. Rust remover makes your bike new all of the times. After the use of rust remover, you can feel the clear difference. Rust is removed, and now rim is. Spray the rust remover with nozzle on. Continuous rust makes your vehicles useless or even sets dead at the end. Here, you can see rust over the surface of rim of a bike. Surface of rim is now shined like a new rim. Rub surface properly to remove the rust. Rub the surface with scrubber over the rusted area. Rust on the rim slowly damage the surface of the vehicle parts, so removing the rust is in haste the life of them. Rub the surface with iron scrubber. There is a clear difference between before and after the use of rust remover on the rim. Hurry up! Click below link to buy our rust remover.
Thanks for watching. I hope you can now see the value of our new product. Please click the link below for more information.